Hello and welcome back to the Daily Defiant. I'm Jack, and today we're shifting our gaze over to artificial intelligence, specifically ChatGPT, which has taken the world by storm this year. The cryptosphere is certainly no exception, and crypto AI tokens have been pumping since news broke that Microsoft might invest a further $10 billion into OpenAI. So let's dive in and figure out how exactly OpenAI's ChatGPT is colliding with cryptocurrencies and what this could mean for DeFi. You've most likely come across a long list of articles, videos, and social media posts touting ChatGPT as the biggest invention since sliced bread. And like me, you've probably wondered why there's so much hype surrounding it. You may have even gone to the website and discovered that their servers are currently so overloaded with requests that you can't even use it. Now, we're not doing a deep dive on what ChatGPT is, because that's a topic that requires far more detail than we have time for today. Instead, we want to know how ChatGPT and any future iterations of artificial intelligence tools stand to impact the world of DeFi. Because at the end of the day, unlike self-driving cars, it seems commercial applications of artificial intelligence are already here for the world of DeFi. So let's start by following the money. Microsoft already holds a stake in OpenAI, having previously invested $1 billion in 2019. Now, Microsoft is said to be considering a $10 billion investment into the San Francisco-based company headed by Sam Altman, whose name might be ringing a bell. Back in 2021, Altman was heavily scrutinized by privacy advocates, including Edward Snowden. His crypto project, called WorldCoin, promised universal basic income for anyone willing to have their retina scanned by a creepy volleyball-sized orb. CoinDesk referred to it as the CIA's wet dream. Perhaps predictably, Silicon Valley became very excited about Altman's vision, and names like Sam Bankman-Fried, Andreessen Horowitz, and Digital Currency Group, DCG, invested in the project, raising a total of $25 million. Fast forward to 2023, and OpenAI is reportedly looking to raise funds at a valuation of $29 billion. And it's this eye-popping valuation of Sam Altman's new project which brings us full circle back to the world of DeFi. The tokens connected to the AI sector have pumped over 50% in the past week, according to CoinGecko. And although the rally has cooled, artificial intelligence market cap reached an impressive $822 million at the time of making this video. These cryptocurrencies in particular could play a significant role in the mass adoption of AI, according to Haseeb Qureshi, managing partner at Dragonfly Capital. Qureshi tweeted, "AI and crypto will be intertwined in a way that will become clearer over the next decade. Is this good? Is this bad? It's hard to say. But you should be prepared for an explosive combination." He makes an interesting point about how the use of money was for a long time limited to persons, companies, and governments. But with the new capabilities of breakthrough technologies such as ChatGPT, self-driving cars, and IoT devices, Qureshi expects that these new agents will also use money through cryptographic addresses. And that could mean a huge surge in crypto transactions. This mass adoption could drive crypto AI token prices even higher, particularly if the AI start using money of their own accord. And how might that become a reality? Through integrations with DeFi protocols. Now, why doesn't AI need to use money? Well, AI promises to improve trading, portfolio management, and much more in the crypto economy. The main benefits we can currently expect from artificial intelligence are increased trading efficiency, accuracy, predictive capabilities, and improved security. And there are, of course, significant use cases of AI in the cryptosphere already. Machine learning and trading is a noteworthy example, as AI can analyze vast amounts of data to identify patterns and trends that human traders can't. Beyond earning money, protecting assets is another important use case, and AIs can be used to detect criminal activity, helping to reduce fraud, which, as we know, has been a serious problem in DeFi for years. ChatGPT argues that AI bots could use money to purchase services and resources to function, invest in assets and generate returns, or pay for their own maintenance and upgrades, the same way humans aim to improve their standards of living. And that brings us to the real question, are there any concerns? Well, one of the main concerns with enabling any AI to execute transactions on its own is, of course, that AI is in its infancy. It'll likely take years for the technology to become commercially viable and capable of handling the demands of the volatile, multi-billion-dollar crypto market. Beyond capacity and capability, Centralization is another concern. If Microsoft manages to acquire a majority stake in OpenAI, it could take it off the market entirely. And if the technology is fully owned by a single entity such as Microsoft, they could gain significant influence over the DeFi world. So what does all of this mean for DeFi looking forward? Well, the decentralized finance world is aspiring to create a bottom-up, censorship-free and counterparty-free alternative to the current legacy banking systems of the world. The future could certainly get interesting or weird, as Hasib Qureshi puts it, if AI start using cryptocurrencies for automated payments, running their own predictive analytics, and executing their own smart contracts. Particularly considering they could access cryptocurrencies through various DeFi protocols without human intervention. Let us know how you feel about the role of AI in building a decentralized financial system for the future. As always, thank you for tuning into the Daily Defiant. See you again tomorrow.